In this video, we're going to have a look at how do we apply the sixth index law. Now, the sixth index law applies when we've got a set of brackets that has a division in it and a power outside of that bracket. And it applies by multiplying the power by both terms inside of the bracket. So our rule a divided by b to the power of m becomes a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So let's have a look at how the sixth index law applies to some examples. So in the first example, I got m divided by n to the power of 2. So to apply the sixth index law, I'm going to multiply my power outside, my 2 value, by the indices inside. So m 1 times 2 over n 1 times 2, which equals m to the power of 2 divided by n to the power of 2. So in my second example, I've got e to the power of 3 divided by f to the power of 5 raised to the power of 2. So to apply my sixth index law, I multiply my indices inside of my bracket by my indice outside of my bracket. So that's going to become e to the power of 3 times 2 over f to the power of 5 times 2, which equals e to the power of 6 over f to the power of 10. So in the last example, I've got 3s to the power of 4 over t to the power of 3 times p, and that is raised to the power of 5. So applying the sixth index law, I'm going to multiply all of my powers inside of my bracket by 5. So that's going to be 3 to the power of 1 times 5 times s to the power of 4 times 5 over t to the power of 3 times 5 times p to the power of 1 times 5. So going to equal 3 to the power of 5 s to the power of 20 over t to the power of 15 p to the power of 5. And that's going to equal 243 s to the power of 20 over t to the power of 15 p to the power of 5. So there are 3 examples of how do we apply the sixth index law.